Hi, hello, how are you kids? I hope you are all safe. Yes, before going to the topic, we should do warm-up exercise. Be ready, student? Everyone sit in your place, ma. Sit straight, close your eyes. Backbone straight, ma. Keep backbone straight. Close your eyes. Breathe in, breathe out. 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 Rub your hands. Put on your eyes. And slowly open your eyes. Clap your hands. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3 children. Clap. Stop. 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 Children, higher order thinking skills. Example 6. The figure given is a map. It shown the different ways to reach different places from the house. Look at the map and answer these questions. See, here the given map. Okay. In this map, you should see. After that, you should do the answer these questions. Okay, children. See, how far is the post office from house? What is the distance between the market and the railway station? Find the distance between the house and the airport through the post office. Is the post office or the market closer to the house? How far is the railway station from the school? Okay, this is questions. You should see the map. Okay, after that you should do the answers. First question. What is that first question? See? What is that first question? How far is the post office from house? How far? How far is the post office from house? Here, house. Okay. Post office here. How much time here? How many kilometers is there? 3 kilometers. The post office is 3 kilometers from the house. Okay. Next. Second question. What is the distance between the market and the railway station? See, where is railway station? Here. Market here. What is the distance between railway station and market? 3 kilometers. Yes, the distance between the market and the railway station is 3 kilometers. Understood? Next question. Find the distance between the house and the airport through the post office. See, what is that? Find the distance between the house and the airport through the post office. See, here house. Yes, here house. Post office here. Airport here. See what you are asking. Find the distance between the house and the airport through the post office. Year to year, year to year. How much? See here. Through the post office, the distance between the house and the airport. See house here 3. 3 plus 6. How much? 9. 9 kilometers. See, through the post office, the distance between the house and the airport is 3 kilometers plus 6 kilometers is equal to 9 kilometers. Next, what is that question? Is the post office or the market closer to the house? Which one is closer to the house? Post office or market? See here, post office is 3 kilometers. Market is 8 kilometers. Which one is closer to house? Post office is closer to house. The post office is closer to the house. You should write. Okay. Next, what is that question? How far is the railway station from the school? See, from the school, how far is the railway station? See here, here school, here railway station. How much distance is there? 10 kilometers distance is there. That's why the railway station is 10 kilometer from the school. Okay children, like this any question they will give, you should see the picture properly. After that you should do the answers. Okay children? Children, take out your workbook ma, everyone. 10th question. I said you do that. Yes. See once. Is it right or wrong? Shrika's uncle stay at distance of 42 kilometers, 101 meter from Shrika's house. He travelled by bus for 21 kilometers, 100 meters from his house. How much more distance should he travel to reach his uncle's house? See, Shrika's uncle stay at distance of 42 kilometers, 101 meters from Shrika's house. Okay. He travelled by bus for 21 kilometers, 100 meters from his house. How much more distance should he travel to reach his uncle's house? Okay. This is 21 answer. Okay. HOT only is next check. My order gives this answer. See, distance. This is long answer question ma. Distance between uncle house and Shrika's house. How much distance? 42 kilometers, 101 meters. Okay. Next. Distance travelled by bus. By bus. How much? 21 kilometers, 100 meters. Okay. Next. Distance left to cover. What you have to do? You should do minus from which here to this as 42 kilometers 101 meters minus 21 kilometers 100 meters. Okay. Should do the place value chart. See, kilometers and meters. Kilometers and meters. See, 42 kilometers, 101 centimeter. After that, 21 kilometers, 100 meters. Okay, 100 meters. Here, 1, 0. 1 minus 1, 0. 2 minus 1, 1. 4 minus 2, 2. What is that answer? 21 kilometer, 1 meter. Understood? Left with Therefore, see here, 21 kilometers 001 meters. Answer. Okay. Therefore, Shrikar covered distance as 21 kilometers 00 meter to reach his uncle's house. Understood? Right. Check it. You people did right or wrong. Check it. Okay, next. See, higher order thinking skills. The length of the rope used by Siri is 298 centimeters and that by Suresh is 1 meter 44 centimeters. Whose rope is longer? Rope, you know, rope, he brought ropes, 2 ropes. Siri brought 298 centimeter. Okay. See, 21st one. 21st one. What is that? The length of the rope used by Siri is 298 centimeters and that by Suresh is 1 meter 44 centimeters. Whose rope is longer? Rope is longer. Comparison. Compare the length of the rope. They must be in the same length of rope. With Suresh. See, what is that? 1 meter 44 centimeter. Suresh. Okay. What you have to do? You should do, you know already. 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeters. Yes or no? That's why you should do 1 into 100 plus 44 centimeters. 100 plus 44 centimeters. What is that? 144 centimeters. Yes or no? Next, the length rope with Siri. Series, what is that? 298 centimeters. Yes or no? That's why as 298 greater than 144. Understood, children? So, Siri rope is longer than Suresh. Understood? Right. Children, 20th one. 20th one, I will read the question. See once. Chintu rode 3 kilometers on his bike. Mintu rode 3,440 meters on his bike. Okay. Who rode further? By how much further did he ride? Okay. Give your answer in kilometers. See here. Chintu rode 3 kilometers on his bike. Okay. Mintu rode 3040 meters on his bike. Who rode further? Okay. By how much further did he ride? Give the answer in kilometers. What you have to do? You should convert into kilometers. Meters, you should convert into kilometers. See, distance traveled by Chintu. How much? 3 kilometers, 1 meter. Sorry, 3 kilometers. 3 kilometers. Okay. 22nd one. Solution. Distance traveled by Chintu. How many? 3 km. Okay. You know 1 kilometer is equal to 1000 meters. Yes. Now 3 into 1000. 3000 kilometers. Sorry, 3000 meters. Next, distance traveled by Mintu. 3400 meters. Okay, as see, as 3400 greater than 3000. Sorry ma, 3040 greater than 3000. Next, difference. You should find the difference in the distance. Traveled by both. See, 3400 minus 3000. Yes. See, 3400 minus 3000. 0, 4, 0, 0. What is that distance? 0, 0, 4, 0. Understood? Children, first now you should convert this one into kilometers. Yes, how will convert? Children, you should do division. See, 40 divided by 1000. Yes, 1000, 40. 1000 zeros are 0. This 4 like that, this 0 down. Again, you should keep point. If you keep point, you can write here 0. Again, you want, again 0 you want. Because here 1000 is there, here only 400 is there. That's why. Again 0 you should draw. Again, here 0 will come. Yes. 1000 fours are 4000. Did you understood, children? What I did? 1000 zeros is 0 I took. Again this 0 I wrote there. Here 40 is there. 40 will go in 1000? No. That's why you should take point. If you take point, you can write here 0. Again 1000 zeros are 0 I took. Okay. Again here 4000 came. Yes. In the 4000, you can easily divide. 1000 fours are 4000. Yes. What is that answer? 0.04 kilometers. Understood, children? Therefore, Mintu travelled 0.04 kilometers further than Chintu. Understood? Right.